In this video, we show you how to easily apply 3D studs. They can be applied to various materials, positioned either individually or evenly, using a linear grid. First, choose the correct plastic inlay and insert it in the lower die, with the cavity of the plastic insert facing upwards. Now, place the lower die in the fly press and insert a 3D stud with a crystal facing downward. Next, attach the upper die to the fly press and fix the vacuum pump. Now, turn the vacuum pump on and place the back part in the upper die with the arrow pointing downwards. Position the carrier material and apply by closing the handle. Regulate the pressure using the adjustable stop. One 3D stud is now applied. If you want to apply further 3D studs in an even linear position, use the linear grid. Set another 3D stud with crystal pointing downwards in the lower die with the inlay already inserted. The 3D stud we applied first needs to be positioned in one of the linear grid's cavities, crystal side facing down. Place a back part in the upper die with the arrow pointing downwards and close the press. Repeat this step to apply more 3D studs in an even, linear design. When a 3D stud of another size is being applied, the corresponding plastic insert has to be changed first.